Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the same Apple ID that holds the backup. This ensures the right archive. Once signed in, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery or is charging, because restores can take hours. Next, open Settings to confirm the backup date and device name so you know what you will restore. This avoids restoring the wrong snapshot. Now, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset to start the actual restore process. After the initial setup or a factory reset, choose Restore from Icloud Backup when the option appears, because that triggers the server transfer. Once you pick the backup by date, the system queues apps and data. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi, since cellular will be slow and sometimes blocked. You may be prompted for your Apple ID and device passwords to decrypt keychains and re-download purchases. While apps download, settings and photos begin to appear. Be patient, because large media takes longer to finish. When the restore shows complete, you still need to wait for apps and media to finish downloading in the background. This is normal, so keep Wi-Fi on. Make sure services like iMessage, FaceTime, Health, and Keychain are enabled so synced data returns. Re-enter passwords if prompted. If the restore hangs or apps stay at waiting, reboot the device, verify Wi-Fi works, and confirm your Apple ID has no billing holds. If that fails, try signing out and back into iCloud, then retry the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.